Cape Town is fast becoming this innovation hub in the healthcare industry, and events like this, Africa Health and Medlab Africa, certainly showcasing this region's potential. I'm standing here with the CEO of Wesgro, Wrenelle, to give us an idea more about their role in driving this innovation and growth. Wrenelle, what is the importance of having an event like this in Cape Town?
An event like this in Cape Town is extremely important for Cape Town and the Western Cape because we are rubbing shoulders with the best health providers in the world, and we're also able to show the world what it is that we have on offer here in the Western Cape. It also allows for Western Cape companies to be exposed to some of the best investors in the world. So it's really, really fantastic to have this here this year.
Right. How is the Western Cape facilitating investment in the healthcare sector?
So Wesgro is the official tourism and trade promotion agency for Cape Town and the Western Cape.
Yeah.
We have a threefold mandate. The first is to attract investors into the Western Cape. The second is to promote Western Cape goods and services into the rest of the world. And then, of course, finally, it is about tourism.
Yeah.
So a conference like this sometimes also showcases the destination, and oftentimes people who attend the conferences come back.
Yeah.
They come back as tourists.
Correct. Yeah.
Our role, we have a multiplicity of roles. The first is in terms of attracting investment. We look at attracting big conferences like this so that investors can see the destination. Mm-hmm. We also showcase the industries in the destination. So, for example, we did an amazing document called Pioneers, where we actually showcase the different innovation in the destination, and we also market that and sell that through our digital platforms. So we are essentially, we work in that nexus between government and the private sector.
Fabulous. Well, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it, Wrenelle. Well, there you heard it. Loads of opportunities, loads of exhibitors, loads of platforms where people are showcasing their products, all happening here at Africa Health Medlab Africa 2024. We'll see you here.